This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to make over $36,000 from this product, all through content creation on TikTok. The owner created a TikTok account, placed the store link in the bio and posts daily content. They sell this product for approximately $35, while its cost is around $17. This helped them achieve a high profit margin, completing over 670 orders last month. Today, step by step, I will teach you how to start dropshipping. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I post winning products daily. I'll leave a Shopify registration link in the video description, which gives you the first 3 months on Shopify for $1 per month instead of the full plan price. I'll also leave a TikTok ads registration link in the video description. Through this link, you can benefit from 2 offers. If you spend $100 on ads, you get an additional $100. If you spend $200, you get an additional $200. And if you spend $500, you get an additional $500. After creating your online store, we'll move to the second step, which is the supplier that will source the products for your store and ship them to customers. The supplier is Zendrop, and I'll leave a registration link for it in the video description. Zendrop has a free plan and offers thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We'll start by installing the app on the store, then go to the app section in Shopify and select Zendrop. From there, we'll start typing the name of the product we want to work on. We'll find products with different prices and choose the suitable product. Here we'll see all the product details, and below we'll find the variants, which include the available colors and sizes. We'll also see the product cost, the shipping cost, which varies by country, and the total cost. To add the product to the store, we'll click Add to My Products. Then we'll go back and click on My Products where we'll find the product listed. We'll click on Review and Publish, and from there we can edit all the product details such as the product name, description, variants, and selling price. For example, I can sell this product for $35. And here I'll see the net profit per unit sold. We'll choose the images to display on the store, then click Publish to My Store followed by Confirm. The product is now published on the store and can be found in the Products section. Next, go to your store settings and link payment gateways so that customers can pay for the product. Once customers start placing orders, go to Zendrop, add funds equal to the order cost, and click Fulfill Order to ship the product to the customer. Zendrop's free plan provides 25 order fulfillments. If you want unlimited order fulfillment, you can subscribe to a paid plan. Now you can start either with ads using the link I provided in the video description or by creating content. Create a TikTok account, place the store link in the bio, and start posting daily content. That's it. This was today's explanation. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Goodbye.